Okay, we're at Forrest Street in Fremont in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're getting signal here. We've got, it looks like plenty of bars still left on the receiver. All right, now we're gonna walk it back to the transmitter, which is all the way down there. We've got SlotZilla, which is a huge metal structure. Okay, we're inside of SlotZilla. You can see all of the steel around us. We still have full signal strength. We're still getting reception. All right, let's move on. That looks like one of the art cars we're going to be sending a signal to. So that's one city block. Still getting full signal. Still getting level. Somebody's enjoying the cello music. This is the art called Zuki? Zuka. This is the art called Zuka. Now tonight's event is we're going to have DJ Marshmallow on the main stage. So let's check signal here at Zuka. All right, the next location is going to be the VIP bar ahead of me. Okay, there's the VIP bar. Let's check signal. Still looks good and solid. Reception signal. And there's the Forrest House art car. That's our main stage. Okay, as we can tell, I'm not much of a videographer. All right, here's our second location, which is We All Scream, and we're still good. And then we're going to go to our first location, which is going to be over here, Commonwealth, and everything looks solid.